I used to be scared when I was in front of people. I used to freak out when someone asked me to have a say in front of a crowd. I used to be helpless just because deep in my mind I was 100% sure that I had no great idea to share. I thought that I was not good enough, that I was not smart enough, that I was not okay as a person, as a girl. So you know what? I just zipped it. Said nothing. Nothing. Zero. But today, I've changed. Because now I believe that you and I, whoever we are in the world, whatever our story might be, and whatever we might do in this world, we just matter. And we don't have to be famous. We don't have to be a CEO or a president or whatever you might call it to speak up. Wherever you are, wherever we are, we can decide to have a say. Just because you know what? Our words can be the exactly extraordinary magic wand that can make our ordinary people like me thrive and happy. So, from today on, stop thinking that you're not good enough. Stop thinking that you are nobody because you're not nobody. Remember that you've been created in this world to be beautiful inside out.